Do you know 77% of marketers reported that AI technology had created more efficiency in content creation process? Hey everyone, welcome back to PitchGround and I am Priyasha. And today we are looking at Typer.ai. This tool is helpful for various individuals and organizations, including businesses, researchers, developers, and anyone else who needs to process or generate large amount of text. Even if you are a social influencer, translator, or blogger, you can generate content with this tool. Okay, now let's see how you can use Typer. As soon as you purchase this from PitchGround, you will get a dashboard like this. Here you can see we have different options in the left side, such as Power Typer. We have writing tools like introduction, rephrase text, outline, cut text, extend text, fix grammar. You can also fix grammatical error here. Then we have conclusion and analogy. Next, if you click on personal tools, you see explain text, summarize points, translate, review writer, write a story. Then business tools, to do task, employment ad, speech generator, business email, raise questions. Next, we have social tools where you get titles, tags, script, description, comment responder. So now let's take an example and see how Power Typer can help you. If you are a blogger, you need to write, lengthy text. For that, you can use Power Typer. And here you just need to write your subject. You can create much more thing in Typer than a regular free tool. I've already showed you there are so many options that you can get here. So now let's take an example of Power Typer. If I write, so after you write the heading, you can see input and output. You can choose from here. For now, it's English. Select the tone, authoritative, caring, cheerful, whatever tone you like, you can choose from here. I am selecting authoritative, and here you can see output length. Okay, for now I'm selecting near about 500. Okay, now here we have four options: outline, intro, write, and conclude. So in whatever stage you need brainstorming, you can use Typer. So for now I'm selecting write. And here you can see it has started writing the blog. Let's give it some time and I'll be right back. See, it has completed writing and now you can use it anywhere you want. Here you can see these three dots. From here you can save this. Next up we have, okay, next take an example in social tools, okay, like scripts. Now you see this title here, description, audience. Okay, let's take an example. It has given you a complete script and how you can use the scenes as well, like beginning visuals of a desk with tools and equipment. Opening scene, a young business person sits at their desk looking over the contents in anticipation. Then you can add a voice over here. Want to get the most out of your cold email campaigns? Try A/B testing. It's an easy way to compare two versions of an email campaign and see which one performs better. Here is how you do it. Then the next step is visual transition in next step. It is also mentioned here. So you do not have to worry about flow of the content. So you do not have to worry about anything, neither the script nor the visuals. Okay. So it will give you the total flow, how you can record your videos as well. So in scene one, it says first make two versions of your email. Version A should be this, and then scene two. Then in the conclusion, you have another voiceover. Here you have it. Cold email A/B testing made simple. Grab those valuable insights today by following these steps for success in any subsequent cold email campaign. So you can see yourself how you can save your time and money, because for the scripts you had to hire a copywriter. But now this will make copywriting so easy that you don't need any copywriter. So here is how you can use any other tools. You need to go to here. You write business email. You need to put the subject line, the sender, description, tone, and click on generate and see the magic happen. Now you see this what's new tab here. If you click on here, there are all ideas, roadmap, and announcement we have for you. In this drop down, you have three options: trending, latest ideas, most votes. Then in roadmap, you have these options, then announcements. If we have any announcement for you to know, here is how you can check. This is the dashboard where you can see all your projects here. If you click on these three dots, you can open, delete, rename, or move these files. So in conclusion, our AI copywriting tool is a game changer to create high quality, engaging, and effective content. With the ability to generate compelling headlines, product descriptions, or other types of written content, this tool can save time, increase productivity, and help you achieve better results. If you are interested in trying out this tool, make sure to click the link in the description box below to sign up. Don't wait any longer. Give it a try and see the difference in your writing. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.